Are you looking for a room divider screen that will make a statement in your home? Check out our top 5 picks for the best room divider screens. From traditional screens to modern designs, we have something for everyone. So what are you waiting for?
So let's get started with the list.
List number 6-panel wood room dividers, 5.6 feet. The 6-panel wood room dividers, 5.6 feet, is a great way to divide the space you have into different parts. It's made of natural and environmentally friendly materials and designed for long-term use. Our 6-panel wood room dividers are made of natural and environmentally friendly materials, durable wood, and easy to fold and unfold. The fantastic craftsmanship is applied to the room divider, whose carved design is nice and unique. The room divider's natural, simple, and unsophisticated look. These robust 6-panel wood room dividers divide the room into different areas to create the independent space you want, which can be used in offices, bedrooms, restaurant, apartment, etc. Any occasion you need. The portable partition screen is made of natural wood, which is comfortable and breathable, environmentally friendly and practical, and has the advantages of dehumidification. This is a great way to avoid some awkwardness in your life and add some color to your life. List number Rantila 3-panel room divider. This 3-panels office room divider is lightweight and foldable, so it's easy to store without taking up much space. Also, it is flexible, and you can change or move it freely. One of the crucial features of this privacy screen is its high-strength aluminum with double-groove corners that provide additional strength and durability, eliminating frame splits that can weaken your frame over time. The water resistance design makes it easy to clean up spills from dishes or other kitchen items. The single-room partition size is 71 inches by 34 inches. The wall divider maximum size is 102 inches W by 20 inches D by 71 inches H. This privacy screens are UV protected and waterproof to allow the screen to be cleaned easily. The steel frame of this partition panel provides durability and stability, while the convenient double hinge design allows you to place it in any direction whenever needed. List number Privacy Partition Room Dividers. The Privacy Partition Room Divider has been designed to fit snugly in between your walls, creating a space of your own for everyday life. Our combination of quality and practicality will enable you to make the most of your space and find your true beauty. They're also made with a sturdy steel frame, so they're built to last. The durable wheels allow you to easily move the wall dividers around your home or office, while leaving no visible tracks on your floors. They're available in several colors, and the virtually invisible mechanisms inside ensure that they don't visibly block your view through them. These convenient wall dividers are easy to use and include rollers so you can easily move them around the room, along with our easy-to-adjust levels that make sure they fit just right in any room. We've also included brakes, so there's an additional sturdiness to these folding room dividers, and 4 legs allow you to put these up without using the wheels. List number Giantex 4-panel 5.6 feet tall wood room divider. Our 4-panel room divider screen is 5.6 feet tall, so it can cover most of the space you want to cover. The folding screen is a perfect choice for dividing up large rooms or creating an enclosed personal space for yourself. Offering more than just privacy, it also provides you with ample storage space and makes a practical addition to any room decor. This ideal room divider can solve a number of issues that come with large living spaces. The perfect accessory for any home, this cubicle screen is designed to hold your personal belongings securely, while also providing you with ample storage space. Our room divider is a perfect choice for dividing up large rooms or creating an enclosed personal space for yourself. But unlike ordinary walls, which are completely enclosed, there is still space at the top and bottom of the screen for air circulation. List number 5. Roundhill Furniture Black Japanese 4-panel screen room divider. This Roundhill Furniture 4-panel screen room divider will create privacy in small spaces. Lightweight but stable frame made of wood with black finish. The panels fashioned from white rice paper with a red and black plum branch print are ready to use instantly. Easy to move and folds flat for storage. Items may slightly different from photo in terms of color, due to the lighting during photo shooting or the monitor's display. In modern Japanese style, this room divider features 4 panels made in a black and white plaid pattern on a background of red plum branches that provide an instant pop of color to any room. This screen wall is sturdy enough to hold up against even the strongest winds or hurricanes, making it perfect for protecting belongings from extreme weather or just adding a touch of privacy. This Japanese-inspired room divider keeps your space neat and tidy with its simple lines. Wholesale designed and tailored for spaces up to 32 inches wide x 72 inches high. It's easy to assemble with a low-maintenance frame that's made of wood with a black finish.